Hi guys, it's Joe. I wanted to share with you a quick little project that I did for a planner meetup swap. So basically, this is the easiest thing I could think of to package my swap. I have some die cuts here that I printed out and I cut from my silhouette, and then I have like a little calling card with my name, email, all my social media stuff that I want to include it with my die cuts for the swap. So basically I just created this pocket, sealed pocket for the die cuts and the business card, and yeah, easiest thing, I just used a fuse tool and a 12 by 12 Project Life pocket page. Basically it's the one that has the 4 by 6 slots, and it only has, this one's from We Are Memory Keeper, and it just has the opening on one side. So it's the easiest thing. I have my fuse tool right here already ready to go. I have a glass mat that I want to just place here. So what I did was I just got the die cuts here and the card, just stick it in, and then put the die cuts in, and then I just eyeballed it on how big I wanted the packaging. And this is the ruler that came with the fuse tool, and since I already made a sample, let me just put this here. I want to just kind of gauge how big I wanted it to be. So I put the ruler here, and this is the side where it has the opening, and then I just run the fuse tool. And make sure I don't have any gaps from where it didn't fuse. I think that's good. So there's the line there that I created, and then I just flip it, and let me just get this, and then I seal the top part so you guys can see. Get the fuse tool and then seal the top. And there's the top right there. Then I just get my cutting mat. My cutting tool. And let's see. I leave it, like, I try to cut as close as I can to the sealed edge. And then cut this part right here. Oops. Where's the, okay, there. And there it is. Really easy. And of course, in order to get to the items, they just have to cut the top. But yeah, nice and sealed, really easy. I mean, I'm sure you could put stickers, maybe cut a hole and put like some ribbon and stuff like that, but I just wanted to keep it nice and simple because I had to make like 20 of these. But yeah, it has my card and has the items I wanted to swap with at the meetup, and there you have it. So that's it. Real easy. Just use the fuse tool and Project Life pocket page to make this package. Okay, that's my video for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.